Here's a little project. You know how I have vegetation that hangs down on the cages? One of the things that's kind of hard about when you hang them down over the front of the cages is it always blocks the doors and the access to the perches and things like that. So I got some of these very inexpensive knobs, like for putting on kitchen cabinets, I guess. Goes to show I wouldn't know if it's not a bird project, I wouldn't know what you would use them for, but I think it's something like that. And the cool thing is, if you're careful about getting really dated versions, they're cheap, and they also stick out really far. Turns out it's far enough to hang over the edge of the cage frame. So that's how it works. So I've just drilled holes in this kind of thin plastic board. And now, instead of hanging a bunch of stuff on the cage, I've drilled a couple of holes. I can just create what I want. This way. The added bonus is they can't poop on it. I'm just using those reusable cable ties through the two holes and then around something to hold the vegetation on. Whatever. I don't think it's important. A lot easier than what I have been doing. Nice. Okay. Since privacy can be pretty important to the birds, hopefully that's a helpful tip. Thanks for watching.